Hi, good morning. My name is Anastasia Miabawin binti John. I'm from AT1102C. Today, I want to do some presentations about changes in supply versus changes in quantity supply. First of all, I want to give some meanings about changes in supply. The meaning of changes in supply is a change in supply is an economic term that describes when the suppliers of a given goods or service alters productions or output. Beside that, a change in supply can occur as a result of new technologies such as more efficient or less expensive productions processes, or a change in the number of competitors in the market. Other than that, there are some causes of changes in supply. The causes is among the factors that can cause a change in supply are changes in the cost of productions, improvement in technology, taxes, subsidies, weather conditions, health of livestock and crops. Besides, it also affected by the price of other products. As we know, there are some differences between a change in supply and a change in quantity supply. The difference is a change in supply is a shift of an entire supply curve in response to something beside price. Other than that, a change in quantity supply is a movement along the supply curve in response to a change in price. Moreover, there are seven factors that cause a change in supply. The factors are: first, natural conditions, technical progress, change in factor price, transport improvements, calamities, monopolies, and the last one is fiscal policy. Not only that, I also want to give some meanings about changes in quantity supply. Changes in quantity supply is a change in the specific quantity of a good that sellers are willing and able to sell. Besides, this change in quantity supply is caused by a change in the supply price. Other than that, it is illustrated by a movement along given supply curve. As we know, there are some causes that can change in quantity supply. The causes is changes in supply are caused by changes in the cost of inputs, productivity, technology, taxes, subsidies, expectation, government regulations, and the number of sellers in the market. Other than that, supply elasticity describes how producers will change the quantity they supply in response to a change in price. Besides, how is a change in quantity supply shown on a graph? The only effect of a change in the price of the product is to move from one point on the supply curve to another point on the supply curve. So, a change in quantity supplies is shown on the graph as a movement from one point on a supply curve to another point on the same supply curve. That's all from me. Thank you.